Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, not too long ago, if a pickup truck guy talked to you about range anxiety, he was either talking about his grouping, his cattle, or his long game at the golf course. But now, with the evolution of EVs into the truck market, with the Hummer EV, the Rivian, and the Ford Lightning, range anxiety means something completely different. Let's take a look at this Ford Lightning we've got for you. This particular one already has Rough Country's 2-inch kit that reduces the factory rake, which allowed us to run a gear off-road 20x9 with a +18 offset wrapped in a Nitto Recon Grappler AT, a 295/60/20. For a little bit more personalization, we went ahead and put our AL2 steps on the truck to help getting in and out and just make it look that much better. It should come as no shock to you that we are far from over when it comes to lifts, levels, and accessories for the Lightning. So whether you have an EV, a pickup, a Jeep, an SUV, or a side-by-side, be sure to check us out for all of your accessories at roughcountry.com.